Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are trying on the Aloe Yoga Faux Leather Boss Puffer. So taking a look at this puffer, from the first look I must say I'm a little confused by the fabric. I know there is a trend for vegan leather for its sustainability, but I'm not sure if I would call this leather. The hood was kind of fluffy, but also felt a little synthetic. And I think so did the puffer material. So first impressions are not kind of over the moon about this one. The zipper works nicely, pulling it down, and we can see the inside also kind of looks a little shiny, although we do have one little nifty pocket on the inside of the right chest with a zipper. Okay, so let's try this jacket on. You can see once we try to zip it up that the zipper kind of gets stuck at the bottom. Now I don't know if it was just this model in particular or that is kind of something to look out for with the zipper, but I would suggest trying it out before you bring this one home. Style-wise, I know this is a trendy look and it's definitely not something you're going to do yoga in, so it's part of Aloe's extended brand identity. Of course, we do have the Aloe logo on the left arm to show we are part of the tribe. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.